All right, AC service call. I think this is a 2019 Champion. We got a bad ECM fan motor. She'll start to spin, and then she'll quit. So now we got to find one and get it replaced. Yeah, this is why we don't install Champion.
Nightmare. You have to hold it with your finger in there, pushing up against it so that way it doesn't fall off, all while you're trying to line up that nut down there.
This is so retarded.
Oh yeah.
That's so dumb.
So
Time to get the coil and the hub puller. After a couple days waiting on warranty parts, she's back running. And we'll wait for this motor to go out in a couple years.